do you do that? How do you do that?
Hello everyone, back with another video. I'm here to show you 4 things today. 1, this commission payout that I got on Sunday. A clickbank sale. Another commission that I got from my Legion Secret. And a new affiliate website that I just joined two weeks ago on the 5th, and it's called the Home Business Academy, and I got 2 sales on that. So if you're enjoying this video, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's get right to this video. Okay, so we're gonna start off in this website that I started with on the 5th of this month. It's called the Home Business Academy. This is where the commissions come in at, and it went to my e-wallet that I got. So, and this is only 2 payments of $20, which is $40, but I get paid by this every month. So the Home Business Academy is $25. Just $25. That's it. You get 2 sales, you basically get $40 every month. That's it. But if you get 5 sales, you get $100 a month. So 20 times 5 is 100. So you get $100 a month every month from now on. That's income. That's passive income that you're making. So if I get 5 sales, I will get $100 every month. Or let's say I get 10, that'll be $200 a month. That can pay off a bill, anything like that, rent, anything, just rent. So that's 1. Let's go to clickbank. As you see right here, we're in clickbank right now, and yesterday I got a sale for $13.73, and it's something. It's not a big sale, but I got a sale regardless. Right before the deadline date, which is tomorrow. So that's good for me. Let's go to my Legion Secret. We're in my Legion Secret now. So the 19th of October, I got a commission, which was last week, which caused me to get another payout, as you saw at the start of the video. So right here, right there, these 2 sales, one time only, and the regular sale. That's it. These are all the 4 sales that I got. You saw the commission earlier. You saw the other commission from the Home Business Academy, which is only $25. Third, you saw the clickbank sale, and now you see this. That's 4 sales in 1. So I made a total of $95 in a few days, just like that, in 1 week. It's not a lot of money, but it's something. So my Legion Secret does work. I didn't use nothing else. I didn't use Bing ads. I didn't use Facebook ads. All I used was this alone. That's it. Just my Legion Secret. All I'm doing is send out emails. That's it. So if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe. If you want to know about the Home Business Academy, that link will be in the description down below. It's only $25. If you're interested, join. If not, that's fine. But if you want to do a My Legion Secret, Link will be down below. Just simple as that. And clickbank too. All 3 links to these websites will be down below. Have a good day. This is Jill 1000 Marketing out. Have a good day.